Have you been feeling more tired than usual? Like your legs just don't have the same push they used to? Maybe getting out of bed feels heavier than it should, or climbing the stairs leaves you catching your breath a little too soon. It's okay. You're not imagining it. And more importantly, you're not alone. What you might be dealing with is something called sarcopenia, a slow loss of muscle that sneaks up as we age. It doesn't happen all at once. It starts quietly, with a bit of weakness here, a little wobble there. But over time, it can affect how steady you feel, how strong you move, and even your independence. But there's something hopeful you should know. According to the American Geriatric Society, nearly 30% of adults over 60 are already living with some form of muscle loss. That number might seem small until you realize what it really means. We're talking about everyday things becoming harder, like keeping your balance on a wet floor or getting up from a low chair without wobbling. And when muscles shrink, risks grow. A small trip can turn into a dangerous fall. A fracture can lead to weeks in bed. And sometimes, the body doesn't fully bounce back. Even the heart and lungs start working harder when muscles weaken. But here's the good news. There are gentle ways to fight back. The good news is, your body can rebuild. Even if you felt weaker lately, it's not too late. Nature has some quiet but powerful ways to help you stay strong. And yes, it starts with what's on your plate. In fact, there's one fruit that might completely surprise you. It's sweet, easy to find, and packs more muscle-saving power than most people realize. Stick around, because we're about to walk through a few gentle changes that could make a big difference. Starting with that unexpected fruit. Fruit number 1, prunes. Most people think of prunes as just a digestion aid, but there's so much more to them. These little dried fruits are packed with potassium, phenolic compounds, and vitamin K, and together they do something incredible for your muscles. You see, as we age, low-grade inflammation quietly chips away at our strength. It breaks down muscle tissue bit by bit. But the nutrients in prunes actually help calm that inflammation, protecting the muscle fibers you still have, and helping your body hold onto them longer. One study showed that older adults who added prunes to their diet saw up to a 33% reduction in reported weakness. That's a big difference for something so simple. And don't worry, they're naturally sweet, soft in texture, and easy to enjoy. You can eat them raw, blend them into a morning smoothie, or soak a few overnight for a softer bite. Try starting with just 3 to 4 prunes a day. It's a small habit, but one your body might really thank you for. Fruit number 2, red grapes. Now here's one that might already be in your kitchen. Red grapes. These juicy little fruits do more than just taste good. They help your blood flow better, which means more oxygen gets to your muscles. And that gives you energy you can feel. The secret lies in something called resveratrol, a natural compound found in the skin and seeds of red grapes. It supports your mitochondria, which are like tiny batteries inside your cells. And when those batteries work better, so does everything else, especially your muscles. Better blood flow means fewer leg cramps, less fatigue, and more power to do the things you love, like gardening or walking without needing to pause so often. One study funded by the NIH found that just 200 grams of red grapes a day could help reduce age-related muscle loss by nearly 20%. That's not small. You can eat them fresh, toss them in a smoothie, or even freeze them for a refreshing snack. Just make sure you're eating them with the skin and seeds. That's where the magic lives. And as with anything good for your body, consistency is key. A handful a day can go a long way. Fruit number 3, padron peppers. Here's one you might not hear about often. Padron peppers. They're small, green, and usually found in Spanish cooking, but don't let their size fool you. These little peppers are packed with 2 powerful nutrients, vitamin C and capsaicin. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, which keeps your joints, tendons, and muscles strong and flexible. As we get older, collagen naturally starts to fade. That's when stiffness creeps in, and why staying mobile can feel harder. Capsaicin, on the other hand, is the gentle heat inside the pepper. It helps calm inflammation, especially in muscles that feel tight or sore. Here's something you can try. Lightly saute them in olive oil. Sprinkle in a little turmeric, and you've got a warm dish full of healing ingredients. The olive oil boosts absorption, and turmeric adds even more anti-inflammatory power. They're not too spicy, and most are actually mild. Just a few in your meals a few times a week can make a real difference. Because sometimes, food really can be medicine. Fruit number 4. Arbutus berries. Madrona? You may not have heard of this one. Arbutus berries, also called madrona fruit. They grow wild on twisting red trees, mostly along the west coast, and they're a hidden gem when it comes to muscle health. These berries have nearly twice the vitamin C of oranges, and that means more support for collagen, stronger antioxidant protection, and better blood flow. All things your muscles depend on as they age. Think of it like a daily tune-up for your body. A little help keeping everything running smooth and steady. They're tart and slightly sweet, almost like a cross between a berry and a citrus. You can mash them into a homemade spread, stir them into yogurt, or even warm them up with a touch of ginger for something soothing and fresh. This is one of nature's forgotten gifts. Wild, untamed, and quietly powerful. Just like the strength you still carry inside. Fruit number 5. Golden kiwi. Golden kiwi is one of those simple fruits you can find almost any time of year, and it's doing more for your muscles than you might think. Inside that soft yellow flesh is a special enzyme called actinidin. It helps your body break down protein better, so the nutrients you eat actually get used where they're needed most, like in your muscles. And when paired with just a few walnuts and a drizzle of raw honey, it creates the perfect mix of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugar. That's the kind of synergy your body understands. Try eating one first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, or slice it into your salad, or stir it into chia pudding for a gentle, nourishing snack. It's soft enough to eat with a spoon, easy on the body, and easy to love. And in the bigger picture, it's a small step, but one that can bring a big gain to your strength and your day. Fruit number 6. Loquat. You've probably walked past this little orange fruit without thinking twice. But loquats may hold something your muscles are quietly begging for. They're soft, sweet, and easy to peel. Perfect for tired hands. But more importantly, they contain ursolic acid, a rare compound shown to reverse muscle loss. In fact, one study linked it to a 30% lower risk of sarcopenia in older adults. Loquats also bring carotenoids for cell repair, potassium for muscle strength, and fiber for steady energy. It's like a gentle multivitamin growing on a tree. Want a simple way to enjoy them? Try making a loquat compote. Just simmer with lemon and cinnamon. No sugar needed. It's proof that strength doesn't always come in a pill. Sometimes it's in your fruit bowl. Conclusion. So today we explored 7 fruits that quietly support your strength. Prunes for inflammation, red grapes for energy and blood flow, padron peppers for joint support, arbutus berries for wild collagen power, golden kiwis for better protein use, and a few more gentle heroes along the way. Each one is simple. Each one is natural, and together they can help protect your strength, your balance, your freedom. Even one small habit a day can add up. Just a little bit of care for your body goes a long way. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Your health matters. Your story matters. If this helped you, please give it a like. Share it with someone you love, and don't forget to subscribe for more.